Here, we have the iRobot Roomba i3 Evo. It's easily one of the most popular robot vacuums on the market. I've been using the i3 Evo for a few weeks now, and I've used a lot of the top competitor products as well in the past. So how does the Roomba i3 Evo compare? There are some interesting things I found out that could make it the perfect choice for some people. Inside the box, you'll find the Roomba i3 Evo vacuum, the charging base, an extra filter, a charging cord, and the user guide. To get started, just plug in the charging base, position the i3 Evo on it, and wait for its battery status light to turn solid white, which means it's fully charged. Download the iRobot Home app and connect to Wi-Fi, then just follow the prompts to complete the setup. In the app, you can set up automatic personalized cleaning schedules. For example, time the cleaning for when you are normally away from home. It will even offer cleaning suggestions, like seasonal cleaning changes for those sensitive to pollen. Plus, you can set up the i3 to operate via voice control with Alexa or Google Assistant. I use the voice control a lot of the time and love that feature. It was efficient and also felt cool to be able to order cleaning like that. One of the really impressive things about the i3 is the 3-stage cleaning system. It agitates, brushes, and then suctions dirt really well. And it's pretty impressive how the i3 Evo can go smoothly between hard floors and carpets. It uses 2 multi-surface rubber brushes and can go really deep to lift, loosen, and eliminate dirt from carpets and hard floors. The i3 has a specialized set of smart sensors to help it navigate your place to make sure of a thorough cleaning. It operates in neat rows so your home's hardwood floors and carpets are covered efficiently and nothing is missed. It has a patented dirt detect technology that works great. Basically, it senses where dirt accumulates and spends more time cleaning there. For my use, it's spot on. The i3 Evo would concentrate on high-traffic areas and places where my pets lounged around, so that it concentrated on picking up all the pet hair and dirt there. And if tricky spots under the couch or bed are a worry, the i3 Evo has that covered. Its low-profile design allows it to glide under most furniture and kickboards, so nothing gets missed. The i3 Evo handles transitions between types of floors seamlessly. To do that, it adapts its height to keep the brushes in close contact with different floor surfaces, moving from hardwood to carpet without a problem. And it even has a cliff detect feature that helps it avoid falling down the stairs. The battery is good too. It held a charge that was more than enough to cover my entire living space. And if it does get low on charge, it automatically returns to the charging base. Cleaning the i3 Evo is easy. The brushes and filters are easily accessible. Just empty the bin when needed, and it's a good idea to clean the filter and sensors from time to time to make sure the i3 operates at top performance. An optional addition to the i3 Evo lets you forget about vacuuming for weeks at a time. It's the clean base automatic dirt disposal that lets the i3 empty itself for up to 60 days. So that addition could increase the convenience factor of this Roomba even more. The iRobot Roomba i3 Evo is a great all-around robot vacuum. It's got smart navigation, a really effective 3-stage cleaning system, specialized dirt detection, and it operates well on any kind of surface. The app is easy to use and can hold a personalized automatic cleaning schedule, and the i3 can operate via voice control. Well, that's it for this video. I'll see you guys next time.